Welcome back everyone. So today, ito-try nating lutuin tong steak gamit yung air fryer. So this is frozen. Sobrang tigas niya. I-rest muna natin siya for 10 to 15 minutes. And then, saka natin siya lulutuin using the air fryer. And let's see what will happen. Yan, so we are preheating the air fryer 200 degrees for 10 minutes. And while preheating, tingnan natin yung steak. Yan, medyo malambot na siya. So, lalagyan lang natin to later ng salt, pepper. And, saka natin ipapasok sa tray ng air fryer. We're done preheating the air fryer. And now, it's the time for us to put some salt and pepper here so that we can put the steak inside the tray. Okay, so 4 minutes left. We are aiming for medium rare. I also prepared here butter, garlic. I did put some salt, pepper. And we will put this on top of the steak now. I'm just mixing it. Let's check what's going on inside. This is the situation now. Alright, so we're almost done. We're just waiting for the air fryer to stop in a couple of seconds. This should stop now. Ooh, let's see what's going on. This is it! Oh my gosh. Look at that. The juices are coming out. Oh my gosh. So we're aiming for medium rare, but looks like this is well done. I should lower down the timer for the remaining steak that I have. Okay, so let me flip it, and I will put butter here. You can smell the butter, the garlic, and the pepper. It's so yummy. The juices are still coming out. Let's continue with the other side. So this is well done, I believe. On this remaining one, I'll try the medium rare. Okay, so we're down to the last piece. That's 180 degrees. In 6 minutes, I'm going to flip the other side, then put butter on top of it. Then here is the first batch. I guess this is well done. So we won't do anything here in 6 minutes. So we have to let this one rest in 6 minutes, and let's see what happened. Okay, we're almost done with the medium rare. We're just waiting for the air fryer to stop. Definitely excited to see what happened here. Alright, so here it is. Let's see. This is it. So we won't do anything yet. We are going to let it rest here inside the air fryer for 6 minutes, and let's see what happened. Okay, time to reveal the finished product. Done resting. So this is the medium rare. Okay, this is it. Let's try to cut this one. Wow, look at that pinkish inside. Amazing. This is it. So let's try the well done.